Welcome, dear children. Subject Mathematics Standard 7th. Today we will study 12th chapter Perimeter and Area. Now let's see what is perimeter. Now students, perimeter means the sum of all the sides of your closed figure. Understood? Means we have to find out the edges of your closed figure. Understood, everyone? So whenever it is asked to find out the perimeter, what you will do? You will take the sides of your closed figure. Clear? Now let's see the formula for finding the perimeter. Now the first formula is for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. Now how you will going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle? The formula is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Clear? Why? Because rectangle are having 2 length and 2 breadth. That is why we have to multiply length and breadth with 2. Clear? Then next formula is perimeter of a square. Now how you will going to find out the perimeter of a square? The formula is 4 into side. Why 4 into side? Because how many sides are there in your square? 4 sides are there. That is why we have to multiply one side with 4. So you will get the perimeter of a square. Clear? Now third formula is perimeter of a polygon. So what you will do while finding the perimeter of your polygon? You have to find out the sum of the length of all the sides. Clear? Means you have to add all the sides of your polygon, so you will get the perimeter of that polygon. Clear? Understood, students? Now let's see practice set 44. Question number 1. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times the perimeter of the first square will that of the new square be? Now here what is given? Here it is given if the side of a square is tripled. So we have to find out how many times the perimeter of this first square will that of the new square. Clear? So we don't know the side of the first square as well as we don't know the side of a new square. Clear? So see how you will going to find out. First of all, we have to assume here the side. So let the side of a square, that is first square, be a centimeter. Clear? We have taken as a. Understood? Now what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square, that is 4 into side. Clear, everyone? Now what you will do? 4 into side. What we have assumed our side, that is a. So 4a. So 4 multiplied by a, that is 4a centimeter. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the what perimeter of a new square, and the side of a new square is tripled. Clear? So what we have taken for the first square, we have to take it as triple. Clear? For the first square, the side we have taken, that is a. So now for the new square, new side of a square, we have to take triple. So here we will take the length of the side of new square be 3a centimeter. Why 3a? It is tripled. Then the first one. So first side of a square we have taken, that is a. Clear? So now write down the formula, that is perimeter of a square. What is the formula? That is 4 into side. So what you will take? 4 into 3a. So 4 3s are 12a. Clear, everyone? So here we will write down, therefore the perimeter of the new square is triple than the perimeter of the old square. Clear? Understood? How you will going to find out this? See the second one. If the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will that of the new rectangle be? Now here again it is given that the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled. So how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will that of the new rectangle? Now what is given here? We have to find out the perimeter of the old rectangle as well as the new rectangle. Understood? For new rectangle, what we have to do? We have to take length and breadth as double. Clear? So let's find out the perimeter of a old rectangle as well as the new rectangle. So here again the length and breadth is not given, so we have to assume that. So let the length and breadth be x centimeter and y centimeter. Clear? Length we have taken as x, breadth we have taken as y. Understood? Now what is the formula? That is perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Clear? Now 2 into length we have taken as x plus 2 into breadth we have taken as y. Clear? So now multiply this. 2 multiply by x 2x plus 2 multiply by y 2y. Clear? Now what you will do further? Can you add this 2x plus 2y? No, because variables are not similar. That is why we can't add. So our perimeter of an old rectangle is 2x plus 2y. Clear? We have to do further. Now further we have to find out the perimeter of a new rectangle. So how you will going to find out over here? Here again the length and breadth is not given for the new rectangle. So here only the information is given, that is length and breadth of a rectangle are double. Clear everyone? So what we have taken the length and breadth for the old rectangle, that we have to take it for the new rectangle. But how you will take? You will take that is double. Clear? So see how you will take. So see here the length for the new rectangle. Length for new rectangle. What you will take? What you will take over here? Clear? So old one is given, that is x. So here we have to take double, means 2x centimeter. Clear? Breadth for new rectangle, what you will take? You will take the again double. What we have taken for the old one, y. So that is 2y. Understood? Now write down the what? Now we have to write down the formula. Clear? That is perimeter of a new rectangle. Clear? Now we will write down new rectangle, that is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Understood? So 2 into length for new rectangle we have taken, that is 2x, and 2 into breadth means 2y. Clear? Now multiply this. What you will get? You will get, that is 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4x, plus 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4y. Now again, can you add this? No, we can't add this because the variables are not similar. Clear? So the perimeter of the new rectangle is 4x plus 4y. Understood how you will do this, everyone? So here we have to write down, that is therefore the perimeter of a new rectangle, how many times it is written? How many times not? So how many times the perimeter of a new rectangle is then the old one? That is twice. Girl is twice. Clear? Twice the perimeter of the original rectangle. Clear everyone? So it is twice. Understood? Thank you.